Hello! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see what happens with the railway tracks. The terrible weather is affecting visibility. Thunder and lightning are striking frequently. Oh no! Lightning has struck the tracks. They are damaged. Oh no! A train is approaching at high speed. This is dangerous.
Oh no!
The fuel is leaking.
Help me! Help! Help!
The fire is massive.
Help me! Oh no! Help! Go, hurry, hurry!
Okay, let go.
The fire truck is racing to the accident scene. Great! The fire truck has arrived at the scene. Come on, you can do it! The fire truck has tried its best to extinguish the flames, but the fire is too intense. Another fire truck is needed for assistance.
Are you okay?
The fire hose has extinguished the flames. You all did very well.
Woohoo! Hooray! Yoo-hoo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Woo-woo-woo!
The lightning has damaged the road. Vehicles cannot pass through. The road needs to be repaired immediately.
Woohoo! Bye!
Bye-bye.
Hello. Hello.
The road has been repaired. Vehicles can now pass through.
Bye.
The railway has returned to its peaceful state. Thank you all so much.